நாங்கள் கோபமாக இருந்தோம். We were angry. We were angry. நான் தூங்கிக் கொண்டிருந்தேன். I was asleep. I was asleep. நான் 1990 பிறந்தேன். I was born in 1990. I was born in 1990. அவள் குழம்பி போயிருந்தாள். She was confused. She was confused. நான் சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன். I was happy. I was happy. நான் விடுப்பில் இருந்தேன். I was on leave. I was on leave. அவள் உற்சாகமாக இருந்தாள். She was excited. She was excited. அவள் தயாராக இருந்தாள். She was ready. She was ready. அவள் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் இருந்தாள். She was sick. She was sick. அவன் அமைதியாக இருந்தான். He was silent. He was silent. அவள் அழகாக இருந்தாள். She was beautiful. She was beautiful. அவன் வேலையாக இருந்தான். He was busy. He was busy. அவன் உயரமாக இருந்தான். He was tall. He was tall. அவன் அழகாக இருந்தான். He was handsome. He was handsome. அது புதிதாக இருந்தது. It was new. It was new. அது கனமாக இருந்தது. It was heavy. It was heavy. அது சுவையாக இருந்தது. It was delicious. It was delicious. அது மென்மையாக இருந்தது. It was soft. It was soft. அவள் தைரியமாக இருந்தாள். She was brave. She was brave. அவள் தைரியமாக இருந்தாள். She was bold. She was bold. அவன் கோழையாக இருந்தான். He was covered. He was covered.